Yeah.
Dating mga kaibigan at bumili kayo.
Isasito.
Ako'y may dala-dalang galing sa banago.
Bili na kayo.
Nais kong itong ibenta para sa pag-party nyo. Kaya pumunta na kayo ngayon. Happy tayo.
Yo, this is gonna get him. It's my version. Listen closely, y'all. Got a story to tell. A version of my life where ecstasy is hell. Gotta get to the hole where ecstasy is given. Gotta earn every day to get high in it. How would you feel if you got to escape reality just to get high, to be music, to diffuse heaven? All night rolling into the ground. Away with the lights and laugh parties around. Like dogs are crying. Get us a shit pen. Every laughing at each other whenever they can. We're making it happen. From nothing to something. That's how we get high, yeah, my friends.
Dating mga kaibigan at makinig kayo.
Listen up, yo.
Ako'y may dala-dalang galing sa rehab ko.
Listen closely, yo.
Kung ipamahagi ang mga kwento, ang kasalanan at pagbabago sa buhay ko.
It's been a while, but I'm back home from rehab. What's going on? Man, it feels good to be back at Shake. It's been 5 years when I first started to vape. I was 18 when I first left. Full of it's a little way up a decade, but it felt like a day every 6 a.m. Waking up every day, man. I felt complete with emotions I feel, but life has changed for me in the rehab. But back at home, man, life was a mess. I guess side effects of these drugs gets you down. On me, so brother, wish I could have helped you out. Lapit mga kaibigan at makinig kayo.
Listen up, yo.
Tignan ng iyong sarili at makikita mo ang mali sa tama na naiwasan ko. Ang pagbabago galing kay Jesus na Panginoon ko.